How to create a resume template on Canva. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. So I bring you back with yet another Canva tutorial. In this tutorial, what I'm going to be showing you is how you can make your very own resume template right on Canva. So what is a resume? Resume is any type of information regarding yourself that you give to any job or any workplace or any company that you want to get into, or any client that you want to tell yourself about, or your school teacher maybe. It's basically a CV but much more formal. So yeah, once you understand that, we're gonna go and get into Canva. So we're going to be using Canva to make our resume, and it's going to be really simple and really easy. I'm going to guide you through the whole process, and it's going to be such an easy process. By the end of this video, you're going to know how you can make your very own resume on Canva. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it then. So we're just going to go on canva.com, obviously. And once you go on Canva, before we get started, I do need to tell you that you need to know the basics of how Canva really works. And if you don't, do not worry. There's a video on my channel in which I have given a clear tutorial on how you can work around Canva, and I've explained all the basics, and it's really easy and really simple. So you can just watch that and come back here, and once you've done that, we're gonna get right into it. So what we're gonna want to do is we won't find the resume template down here or anywhere. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go and search your content on Canvas. When you write resume, it's gonna give you these templates. So you can either make a creative resume or a normal resume. We're gonna go for the normal resume right now. Now, once you go over there, you see all of these different templates regarding resumes. Now, this is what I like about Canva because it gives you tons of different templates for any type of design that you want to create or originate. So let's select some resume that we like. You know what? I like this one a lot. So let's select this one. Now that I've selected it, what I'm going to want to do, this is basically a template that we have in our hands. So now we just want to change the information to our own. So you're just going to write that. You're going to put in all of your information. And once you've done that, you can play around with it. You can go to elements. You can add, more elements if you like to. For example, you can add this here, this underline down here. It can look a bit standoutish, and then you can take another underline, put it right under the profile picture, and you can just play around with it as much as you want. You can add different elements. You can add a logo up here. You can add small texts if you like to. Whatever you like, it's all up to your imagination. And then once you're done with all that, you're just going to go and share. Now, of course, if this is a digital resume, you're just going to want to go and download it as PNG, because the PNG quality is amazing and you can send it digitally around anywhere. But of course, you want to take a print out of your resume. What you're going to want to do is go on file type and go to PDF print. Once you go on PDF print, what you're going to want to do, you're going to download it, and then you're going to print it, and it's going to print it for you in the greatest quality. Now, of course, what I've told you right about now, this is for if you don't want to get too creative and you don't want to waste your time too much. This is for that time. So that's why I've given you a proper template. But there is also another way. If we go on create a blank resume, what this does is that it creates a blank canvas where we can create our very own resume from scratch. And this is for people who are very creative, and this is for people who want to create it from scratch, want it to be fully originated by them and use their imagination. So yeah, let's get started with this one. I'm just going to explain your way through here, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to build a basic outline of what it's going to look like. You can take your inspiration from these templates as well. There is no obligation to that. So first of all, we're going to go in elements and we're going to go to square. We're going to go to square and we're going to make our outline. So let's increase the size of this square. I'm going to bring it right here. Once you do that, I'm going to copy it, paste it. I'm going to bring this up here. And once you do that, I'm going to rotate it to a perfect 90 degrees. I'm going to bring it right here. Now, once all of this is done, I'm going to change the color to something more appealing. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to make this dark blue. You know what? No, I'm going to revert the colors. I'm going to make this dark blue, and I'm going to make this black. Yep, that is much better. Now, what we're going to want to do now is we're going to go in Elements and we're going to write Resume. And it's going to give us elements regarding resumes. So I'm just going to go click on that. And I'm going to put it right here just for a small touch, I'm going to put it right here, right there. And I'm going to take the transparency down a bit. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is start making my resume. So here I'm going to put my picture if I want to. Then I'm going to go on text. I'm going to go on add a subheading. I'm going to put in my name. And we're going to bring our name up here. And once I do that, I'm going to put in my address, my contact info, and my, let's say, my age. I'm going to add all of that. I'm going to put it right here. Obviously, I'm going to try to make it a bit more appealing, but you get the gist of it. And once you do that, then you're going to start making your resume. So then you're just going to bring your text up here. For example, this is some text regarding your resume. Once you do that, you're going to go on Elements, you're going to go on Lines. So you go on Lines, you're going to create a line to, separate the different information. And then I'm going to copy, we're going to paste, I'm going to bring this down here. I'm going to write more, then I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to bring this down here, and I'm going to write more text, and you get the gist of it. And you're just going to start making more and more and more, and look, it already looks a lot like a resume right now, and you get the gist of it. And then you can just play around. You can even add gradient color to this if you want to. That's totally on you though. That's totally on your imagination and what you want to create. So yeah, that's the basic gist of it. And now you're just going to go on share then. Then you're going to go on download. Now it totally depends on you if your resume is going to be digital, because if it's going to be digital, then download it on PNG, because what digital means is that you're just going to send it around online. So PNG is going to be best because PNG exports it in the best quality that you can find. But if you want to print it out, then I'd suggest PDF print, because what PDF print does is it prints out whatever you've made in the greatest quality you can see in a print. So yeah, that's the basic of how you can make your resume on Canva. I hope this was easy for you and this tutorial was good for you to understand. As you can see, it was very simple and very easy, and I guided you well. So yeah, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot. And if you want more videos related to this and more video related to Canva, do let me know down in the tutorial. If you have any queries related to this video, do let me know about that too. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, till then, have a great day, and I'm gonna see you next time. Goodbye.